welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nacine. I'm 36 years old. I'm a mom to 4 beautiful kids, 2 kitties, a floofy fluffy husky. I said it backwards, and I'd really like it if you give me a clicky. It helps my channel grow, it helps me get into the YouTube universe. I do keto vlogs, I do full day of eating, grocery hauls, just a day in the life of type things. So, normally I upload every single day. And after my little talk here, I will insert a clip of why I did not upload at my regular scheduled time and did not have a video for Thursday. Thursday was a crazy day. I don't even know if really I want to insert the video I recorded yesterday for it. In fact, I don't think I want to. It was emotional. I was bawling my eyes out. I'm over it. Basically, I got an eviction notice. So it was a pre-eviction notice. They wanted me to pay what's today? The 12th? I was 11 days late on my rent. Our apartment building is under new management. They wanted to set an example, she said. A friend lended me the money until I get paid on Thursday. They wanted me to pay it by Monday. I didn't get paid until Thursday. So, I mean, times are hard right now. They are really hard. Between child support not coming in and work hours being cut, and I'm trying to find a second job. I'm trying to sell things. It's just a struggle. And I think I would rather not insert the clip I did last night just because I was just crying, and nobody wants to see that. I do want to thank everybody who messaged me to see if I was doing okay, the people who gave me advice, etc. I appreciate it. I love you. I truly do. I'm sorry that I've not been replying to everybody's comments and everything. I'm exhausted. You know, when you cry and cry and cry and you get so tired. All day today, I have felt like there is a fog in front of my eyes. I want to thank Melanie from Princess Ninja and Keto. I thank you. I love you, girl. We've quickly became good friends since we started our collab that we did. If you haven't seen that already, I'll put a card right here for our keto collab that we did. It was a little meme type thing, you know, funny. It's funny. You gotta watch it if you haven't seen it already. Share it. Get us both out there. Another reason I'm just like having a blah weekend now. Today is Friday. I'm gonna put this up today, so technically I'll still have a video for today. That was cans. Yes, I'm collecting cans for money. That's where I am in life now. My boyfriend went up north with his kids. I've never been to go up north in Michigan before. I'm not native to Michigan. I've only lived here for 5 years. He had to go up north. I was gonna go, but my kids couldn't come because there was other people that, like his family and stuff, that were gonna be there, so there wasn't enough room. So I can't go without my kids. So it just sucks, you know. I really wanted to go, and good for him. He's having a good time and everything, but just another bleh. I'll get there someday. Someday I will see the north. And I didn't want to do a video yesterday because I didn't want just me complaining, and that's what I seem like I'm doing right now. So today was a baby shower for somebody at work, and I had egg salad for lunch, and I ate in the office with everybody, so I didn't record that. And to be honest, I wasn't going to do a video today, but now I'm deciding that I would like to. A lot of you tell me that I keep it real and that it's okay to share this with you guys, and at the same time, it may seem like I share a lot with you guys, but at the same time, it's really hard for me to share some of the things that I share with you, because I'm always afraid that I'm going to get criticized or made fun of or called a beggar, or I don't know. It's just many things go through my head. I've had a lot of anxiety and depression the last couple of weeks, and I'm being completely honest with you guys about that. And that's what happens when you have anxiety. You think of every possible scenario of something that could go wrong for you, and that is my brain. I'm going to look into possibly getting back on my medication, because I've not been on it for about 5 months now. I don't know what I'm going to do this weekend. I will say I did get the rent situation taken care of. My friend that lives here so graciously lent me the money until Thursday, and then she was kind enough to bring me back some fruits and vegetables from her garden. Well, vegetables from her garden, and she even brought me back some food from her house for the kids, so the kids can have some food, and then some meats and stuff that I can have. And I'm just very blessed and very thankful to have people in my life that care about me, and people in my YouTube life that care about me. And someday I want to get to that point where I'm able to give to other people too. That's a promise. If I ever get to that part in my life, I'm giving back as much as I possibly can, because I've been on the bottom for a long time, and I've met some amazing people who have helped me emotionally, financially, and there are amazing people in this world still. There really are. Back to the baby shower. I'm all over the place. I'm so sorry. The lady who was pregnant, she knew that I couldn't have, cake and stuff, so she actually bought me a pint of the Enlightened sea salt caramel ice cream. So while they were eating their cake, I was eating the ice cream, and I ate the entire pint of ice cream. Now, it is Enlightened, so it's higher in carb. And for the entire pint, I didn't track it yet. I will track it. I'm not hungry. I don't know if I will eat anything today. I don't know. I'm disappointed in myself. I kind of didn't realize that I was eating all of it until I had started to eat it, and I ate about a serving, and then I put it down, and then they started eating cake, and a lady handed me a piece of cake, and I said, no, thank you. She said, oh, I'm so sorry, I forgot, in which she didn't even realize. And she said, I totally forgot. I said, that's fine. I said, I got this ice cream, and I started eating it again. I'm just going to eat this ice cream when you guys eat that cake. Because I wanted to just, it was whipped frosting. Oh my God. So I just kept eating the ice cream, and they're talking, eating cake, and I'm eating the ice cream. I look down, and I probably got about 2 spoonfuls left of ice cream, and I'm like, well, I might as well eat it now. It's two spoonfuls. So I ate that, and all the rest of the day, my stomach hurts. So I don't know if I'll eat later. I have had a headache all day, and all day yesterday, ever since I started crying. And that's what happens when I cry that hard. I get the worst headaches, and like a fog goes over me. And I'm just back in that. My kids are home, Corey's not, but almost all my kids are home. But I'm back in that funk, because now I'm mad at myself. I'm mad that I can't get caught back up. I can't stop crying about it. I'm mad that I can't get out of this apartment and move in with my boyfriend, because I can't I can't get my credit up to move. I can't move closer to him because I can't get my credit up to move, and I can't afford to live where I am, and it's just a crappy situation. I'm tired of being at the bottom end. I'm tired of struggling. I'm tired of it. I want it to end. I want to be better. That's where I am right now. Yeah. So I've rambled on for 10 minutes. I'll see you again later if I decide to eat anything. If not, this will just be just this. So I hope you guys are having a good day. If you need anything from me, please don't hesitate to email me, message me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, whatever. Here, comment here, whatever you want. I will always talk to you. I will always talk to you. I will talk you through anything, any problem you have. I've helped people figure out how to log into Instagram. I've helped people how to figure out how to track their macros. It don't matter. Girl, guy, whatever. I'm here. You need a friend? I'm here. Okay? Don't ever forget that you're never alone. There is always somebody. And if you need me to be that somebody, then I will be that somebody for you. Whatever you're going through in life, because I'm going through it too. Okay? If you need an ear, I'm here. You guys have a good day. Oh, I'm back already. I did also want to say, I am on my way. I thought I was going to go straight home, but I forgot. I got to go pick up Tiffany and her friend, and Tiffany cleaned her room last night, and she's going to go through all of her clothes that don't fit her anymore, and then she's gonna bring them back to her friend's house, and they're having a garage sale there, so she's gonna try to sell some of her stuff. Maybe she'll sell some of it. I don't know. I was gonna like sell them on Facebook groups, but she can sell them there. And then I'm going to be making like videos for patrons only, and then they'll be there for like a day or a week or whatever. I don't know if I'm gonna leave them there only, and that's all that gets to see them, or if I'm gonna do videos and then have them there for like a day or a week and then like release it to everybody. It's just an idea. And since I have so much free time this weekend, I'm going to really work on my merch, my Teespring merch, and I have all kinds of ideas, you guys, like just shirt ideas, like funny little keto sayings and stuff like that I really want to make. But every time like I draw the image and then I try to like put it on in the designing thing, it's like, oh, it's too small, and then it'll have like a background, and oh, that was so hideous. Do you guys like my hair today? I don't. Well, I do, but I don't. It's funny. It's like a little peacock right here. That's what I plan on doing today, or tonight, or this weekend. I don't know. I'm very lonely. Maybe I'll go live sometime. Maybe just talking to you guys will make me feel better. Because, like, I'm on the verge of, like, turning into this McDonald's right now. And, like, just getting a Big Mac, bread, and all. And just... That's how I'm feeling right now. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. But that's what I'm feeling. So, I don't know when this video will go up because my phone won't upload it. It's taking forever. And our internet and TV is out from non-payment. So, I don't know. I'm doing a lot of cleaning this weekend. All that stuff I planned on doing this weekend, no longer happening. No internet. So, I guess I'll be cleaning. I don't know. Guys, so my chicken is smoking me out. I'm just washing up some veggies that my friend had brought over for me the other day, whatever. It's some romaine, some snap peas, green beans, and green peppers. So I'm washing them up, letting them soak in some cold water with some vinegar. I've got 2 chicken breasts cooking. I brought some cans back, and I got some chicken breasts. Woo! Cooking those in some Kerrygold butter with some fresh Jax Seasonings. Oh my God, use my code. Save 15% if you do. I am using Jesus. I'm using Jesus. I am using I can't even talk. I'm using the Smoky Sea Salt Campfire Island Spice. And this is quickly has become one of my favorite garlic herb. And I have just put that over it. It's not even smoking that much, but it's making me cough. I've put that on both sides and I've been cooking it. And then when it is done, I will be putting on a slice of provolone cheese. And I'm going to make myself a salad with the romaine and crush up a couple pork rinds to give it like a crouton. And then I picked up the Olive Garden Ranch. It was on sale for $2.99, and when we brought the cans back, I picked that up. So we went to the library, we got a book I'm going to be reading since our TV and internet is out, probably for like a week. This book I picked up, the Stephen King, The Outsider, so I'm going to be reading that. Reese and Peyton each picked out a book, and Tiffany is at her friend's. So, that's what we're going to be doing. What? Alright guys, that's probably going to be the end of the video. I'm going to try to get this uploaded because it takes forever to upload from my phone. So, I hope you guys are having a great day. Bye.